Installation of the Isolite 3 is just a few easy steps. First, you take your vacuum hose connector and you attach it to the open suction port on your chair. Next, take your control head and place it onto the open space on your toolbar. This ensures that you won't drop the control head. Next, you're going to take your power vacuum base and connect it to the vacuum hose connector. Then take your power adapter and plug it into the wall. Next, plug in the power adapter to the top of the power vacuum base. A blue light indicator means your power is ready to go. Make sure that your power vacuum dial is turned to the appropriate icon. Now, if you don't have an open HVE port on your chair to install the Isolite 3, you can attach your HVE to the power vacuum base. Just simply remove the little cap on the accessory port here. And attach your accessory port. Next, attach your HVE hose to the accessory port. Then, rotate the dial to Isolite 3 and accessory.